You won't believe what Leica has been hiding from us. A shocking new leak just dropped about their most coveted special edition camera ever, and the photography world is about to explode. I've got my hands on mind-blowing details that nobody else is talking about yet. Will this be the most exclusive and desirable Leica of all time? The answer might leave you absolutely stunned. What's up, photo warriors? Today we're diving into the incredible Leica M11-P Safari Edition that's about to change everything we know about luxury cameras. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the insane 60-megapixel sensor that puts other cameras to shame, the breathtaking olive green design that collectors will fight over, and a few secret features Leica doesn't want leaked yet. If you've been waiting for a camera that turns heads while delivering unmatched image quality, your prayers have finally been answered. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell right now because we leak camera info faster than anyone else in the game. Let's jump into the first major leak that has Leica fanatics losing their minds. Let me start with what's hiding under that gorgeous Safari exterior. What if I told you Leica isn't holding anything back this time? My sources confirm this beauty will pack a mind-blowing 60-megapixel full-frame BSI-CMOS sensor. Just imagine the level of detail you'll capture in every single shot, from the finest eyelashes in portraits to the tiniest textures in landscape photography. And it gets better. Leica's pairing this monster sensor with their Maestro 3 image processor, giving you lightning-fast performance that professional photographers have been begging for. But wait until you hear about the ISO performance that's going to change how you shoot in challenging light. Here's where things get truly game-changing. Remember those times when you had to pack up your gear because the light was fading? Those days might be over. According to my insider sources, the M11-P Safari Edition will feature an insane ISO range from 64 all the way up to 50,000. But here's what will really drop your jaw. This camera is rumored to deliver a mind-blowing 15 stops of dynamic range. You can finally capture those impossible sunset shots with perfectly exposed skies and foregrounds in a single frame. The shadow recovery on this beast will transform how you approach high-contrast scenes forever. But the storage solution Leica's implementing might be the biggest surprise of all. What's the one thing that ruins the shooting experience on even the most premium cameras? Running out of storage at the worst possible moment. Well, prepare to be shocked. My sources reveal that Leica is finally embracing the future with an incredible 256 gigabytes of built-in internal storage. Imagine never having to worry about forgetting your memory cards again. Of course, there's still a single UHS 2 SD card slot for expandability, but having that massive internal buffer means you'll never miss another once-in-a-lifetime shot. But the build quality of this Safari Edition, that's where Leica is truly flexing their legendary craftsmanship. When it comes to build quality, most camera manufacturers simply don't understand what true luxury feels like in your hands. But Leica? They're in a different league entirely. This Safari Edition is rumored to feature a full-metal magnesium chassis with a solid brass top plate that will develop a gorgeous patina over years of use. You'll immediately feel the difference the moment you pick it up. This isn't just a camera, it's an heirloom that tells your photographic journey. The olive green painted body with silver or brass accents gives it that unmistakable safari look that turns heads everywhere you shoot. And that's not all. Leica's reportedly using a different textured leather for the grip that perfectly complements the Safari design. But the display and viewfinder specs I'm about to reveal might be the most surprising part of all. In an age where every camera manufacturer is racing to add more digital features, Leica is taking a boldly different approach that purists will absolutely love. My sources indicate the M11-P Safari will feature a stunning 3-inch touchscreen with 2.3 million dots, all covered with virtually unscratchable sapphire glass. But here's the kicker. They're sticking with their legendary optical rangefinder with bright line frame instead of going digital. Imagine the pure, unfiltered connection to your subject that only a true rangefinder can provide. This camera also boasts professional-grade weather sealing, ensuring you can chase perfect shots in any environment. And there's one more groundbreaking feature my sources revealed. The M11-P Safari will support the Certified Authentic Content standard, letting you digitally authenticate your images in this era of AI-generated content. At around 640 grams with battery, this powerhouse strikes the perfect balance between substantial feel and all-day comfort. But when can you actually get your hands on this green beauty? That's what you're going to want to hear next. The wait for this dreamy green masterpiece might be shorter than you'd expect. According to my exclusive Leica Insider sources, the M11-P Safari Edition is expected to hit shelves around May 5th, 2025. That's just a matter of months away. This timing actually makes perfect sense when you look at Leica's release patterns. They typically announce these special Safari Editions a few months after launching the standard version. It's a brilliant strategy to refresh excitement in the product line without developing an entirely new model. My sources are extremely confident about this timeframe, which means you need to start saving now if you want to be one of the first to own this collector's item. Because when you hear the expected price tag, you might need a moment to catch your breath. Of course, uncompromising performance and collectible design never come cheap, especially when that iconic red dot is involved. According to my trusted sources, the Leica M11-P Safari Edition will likely retail between $9,700 and $10,200 for the body only. Yes, that's a serious investment. But think about what you're actually getting. This isn't just a camera. It's a 60-megapixel image-making machine wrapped in a stunning olive green package that will likely appreciate in value over time. Leica's Safari Editions historically become some of the most coveted items in their lineup, often selling for significantly more than their original price on the secondary market years later. When you consider the unique design, the incredible image quality, and that special feeling you get shooting with a limited edition Leica, the value proposition starts making a whole lot of sense. But what does all this mean for serious photographers and collectors? When you step back and look at the complete package, what Leica appears to be creating with the M11-P Safari Edition is nothing short of extraordinary. This isn't just another incremental camera upgrade. It's a statement piece that delivers cutting-edge performance while celebrating Leica's rich heritage. From its monstrous 60-megapixel sensor to that breathtaking olive green design, this camera is positioned to become the crown jewel of any serious photographer's collection. As renowned Leica expert Michael Gilman recently told me, the M11-P Safari Edition represents Leica at its most confident, pushing technical boundaries while staying true to the essence of what makes a Leica special. So what's your next move? If the Safari Edition's price point seems steep, tap right here to check out my video on the rumored Leica Q4 that's coming, and why that one might actually be the better value proposition for most photographers. Hit subscribe button and notification bell because we'll be following this Safari Edition story closely as more details emerge. This is going to be the camera everyone's talking about in 2025. Make sure you're part of the conversation.